We just renovated our office and it only cost $16.
And this is how we did it.
Bro, what are you doing in here? We're trying to leave the office dirty so we can make a video about it.
I'm just kind of, doing a little bit of cleaning beforehand.
No, that defeats the whole purpose. We want to show the shitty office before we show them the new one.
Well, fuck.
Sunglasses. I don't have sunglasses. Hang on.
Do you think your office sucks? Our office sucks. Hello, where every day is a day. We make funny videos. And this is the area that we have to deal with. We want to turn this into this.
We spend most of our time here at this house, in this office, making shit. So might as well turn it into something that we enjoy being in.
Because I'm looking at this office right now, and I'm saying, nay, nay. I want a good looking office, because I want to have fun and I want to feel good about the space that we're working in. So, this is a video about how to make that happen. We're getting off our lazy butts for once. Instead of video editing and stuff, we're making it happen. I'm excited. Let's get ready to go. Taking off my shirt, about to make these rifles burst. Taking off my shirt, about to make these rifles burst. Burst. Burst.
I actually don't know what I'm looking for.
Love me for 1 second.
Alright, does this look suspicious?
Let's go. Oh hey, where's the checkout guy?
I'm the checkout guy.
All right, in order to make these fit, gotta cut them down. So all the legs are cut over there. There's one desk, the other desk over here. Stupid us. Cuts all the legs. Go to put it together. What do we have? 1.5 screws? We need 2.5. Back to the store.
All right, mister. What'd you get with?
2.5.
I got the screws.
He got the screws.
Good.
You made it out of wood.
Yeah. Cool.
I don't even know where to start. Okay, no, not yet. We still gotta clean a little bit over here. You're stepping on it. tool or something. Setting up all this new stuff. We got the best office. Follow me in.
So what do you think?
Man, I love it, man. I love it so much. We've only had this office for like 4 minutes, but I already feel so much more roomy. We're not tripping over everything. I don't know, what do you think?
It's exactly what I was thinking when I wanted to redo the office. I was like, we were stuck in a little corner. It felt just so claustrophobic. Cat litter in the back corner, just like everything all over the place. This is so much more professional.
Yeah, man, when you came up with this idea, you really had one of those like Einstein or Elon Musk, one of those guys, one of those kind of moments, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, the big
like,
brain moment.
Just having this window here too, just while I'm working.
Yeah, being able to look outside is key.
Yeah, creeping on the neighbors and stuff. I love it. All right.
Well, give us the price breakdown.
Okay, here's our price breakdown. We got the desks, actual cubicles from an office that was going out of business, 120 bucks. The paint, 30 bucks. Screws, filing cabinets, the closet shelves, and the floating shelves for 40 bucks. All for a grand total of $260. On the revenue side, Flath sold his desk for $110. I don't know how he got 110 bucks for that piece of crap. I also sold my desk for 50 bucks. Thanks to our good friend Mark Zuckerberg, we were able to sell them on Facebook Marketplace, as well as my drawer, 84 bucks. For a grand total of $244, which means we're only in the hole 16 bucks. We got this whole office for $16. Woo! Woo! Can I get a woo? Woo! Woo!
All right, well, if you like this video, we have plenty more on our channel. If you're into funny videos, horror videos, every day is a day.
Yeah, if you want inspirational videos, funny videos, we got it all. Come check out our page. We're every day's a day. We're funding ourselves. You know, we make this stuff and it comes right out of our pockets. So any support you guys can give us, please, it'd be great.